few days ago, I made a video on GBP JPY, why the price was yet here. I made us understand that the price has just reclaimed this level and also reclaimed the bottom of this very channel, this golden descending channel. And I told us in the video that that reclaim has made this to become a confirmed fake out, and that a fake out in one direction of a pattern will lead to an extended move to the opposite direction. And that is what we have got right here. GBP JPY has completed the symmetry and now has broken above the top of the channel. So the question now is, what is the next move for this currency pair? That is what I want to discuss in this video. So if you're new to my channel, this is Mobile Trading Academy, where we simplify forex trading and help traders make money from the market. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out when I release my next videos. Right now, the price is above this very descending channel top. That means we are having a break of this very top. And also there is a reclaim of this ascending channel, which is bullish. So the only barrier we're having right now is this level. The level between 199.50 and 199.85. That is the area that we must pay attention to. That area has resisted price at this point, resisted price here, resisted price here, and resisted price here. So it is a very strong key level. So all we need to see now is a convincing close above this very level. If we see price begin to trade convincingly above this level, then that will open the door for a new high. So if you are a GBP JPY trader, take note of this very level and wait to see price convincingly break above it. Then you take your long position to the top of this very channel, which will be around 204.30 zone. However, if we see the price rejected at this point, then we'll continue in this range and price will return back to this very range bottom and also to the bottom of this descending channel. So that is my take on GBP JPY. I hope this helps you make the right decision in your trading today.